Yo, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar, and today we're going to be quickly talking about how I made over 100% gains on Walgreens options today. Simply, we played earnings. Walgreens reported earnings this morning pre-market, and I don't know, this was kind of, you could kind of see it from a mile away. Not really, but it's weird. If you had the technicals going into this play, you could have easily seen that, there was a pretty high potential, low risk, very high reward play. It's interesting, though, to look at this at the long term. You look at Walgreens on the daily chart, and you go back. Walgreens back at the peak of 2015 was, $97 a share. It didn't get to 100. Ever since then, it's just been on a slow downtrend. And since basically, June of 2012, it went up and then hit that top peak and just started going down from there. So the other thing I saw since January of 2022, this very steep, I wouldn't say very steep, but it's a pretty steep downtrend. We tap here, almost tap there, and then it's been a while since we've been kind of anywhere close to it. It's been since January of this year, we've basically just been going down. So I saw this on Twitter. There's a guy that I recently found. His first name is Jake. I don't really remember his last name, but he posts these amazing charts, pretty spot on technicals. And he kind of was talking about Walgreens the other day, and it kind of caught my eye, especially with Walgreens coming and reporting earnings today. I decided to jump into this play yesterday. I had this marked up since Saturday, so this is what I saw. We had an inverse head and shoulders here. Obviously, we have a shoulder here, head, shoulder, and our neckline is pretty much right here at this $90.30 range. So we tried to tap past it yesterday. Didn't really work. I didn't get the best entry, to be honest. Yesterday, I kind of got in, I would say kind of at the top. So I was down. I think I was only down like $8 towards the end of market close. But this morning, we broke past that neckline. Didn't gap up quite as much as I was thinking. Let's hop on the 15-minute. We gapped up actually to 1038, which is pretty good. If I remember correctly, we're all the way up here. We caught a little bit of a level here, which, I mean, there's not much over here to kind of maybe a little bit of consolidation, but held that, ran up, came back down, and then we started running back up. We did kind of a pull back here to go higher, and basically went to 1062, which was the high of the day, and then we kind of had this downward trend, like kinda, and then we kind of consolidate, and then we started going back up. I got out of this trade somewhere around here, I believe. Around 1044, so I missed out on a little bit of gains, but if I would have held all the way to market close, I wouldn't have missed out on too much. Tomorrow, I'm not sure what's going to happen, if it's going to keep going. There was some news today that Walgreens was going to, I think they were going to close a whole bunch of, stores, which kind of makes sense, but it kind of doesn't, because the way that I was looking at, Walgreens was helping out during COVID with all the vaccine stuff. But I don't know, Walgreens, to me, it's been the same way since I was, 6 years old, as far as I can remember. It hasn't changed much. So I don't know. I just want to make a quick video talking about how I did get over 100. It was like 120% gains on this quick Walgreens play. Like I said, it was very low risk. The setup was there. This is all you needed to look for right here. Bing, bing, bing. And then you would have jumped in, rode it all the way to the top, and you could have gotten out. So, like I said, just wanted to talk about that real quick. These volume shelves here through TradingView is something I just implemented yesterday. Huge help, and definitely worth, upgrading your account from just a free account. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you have any comments or want to see anything more, please let me know down in the comments. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and share with your friends and families. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.